Woo! What's up, everyone, and welcome to the channel. Hero here, and Alvin,
your superstars of the show.
From First Timers.
Yes.
All right, so welcome again to the tech series, and we have here a monitor desk mount.
Yes, we're not going to be mounting a monitor on it, unfortunately, guys. We are going to be mounting a camera. Now, if you guys didn't notice, I do have a cable plugged into it, which is actually a dummy power battery, so it'll actually power the camera. So I was trying to set up a stream and trying to get us recording with an actual DSLR camera. And the problem I had is the battery died, and I was like, what? So anyway, guys, I'll put a link up in the upper right-hand corner. Sorry, upper right-hand corner. And left, right, left, yes, okay. So it'll be up there. Go check it out. This is actually a pretty interesting video, guys. Very simple, very easy to do.
Gives you the option of continuous power.
Yes, so you can record for a long period of time.
Yep.
But the problem is this guy won't mount on most traditional mounts because it's so heavy. And we needed something that was going to raise it up at a certain height and be able to kind of, have it in different spots. So anyway, we're going to open this here, guys. Alright, so guys, as we get into this here, you're going to notice how nice and sturdy this stuff is. So if you're going to be using this for like a 32-inch monitor, obviously I know I think the max is 32, but I feel like you can actually have heavier monitors on there, or not heavier, but bigger monitors that are the same weight as most 32-inch monitors. You should be fine. Has a little wire holder right in there. Ooh, that is dope. Set that off to the side for a second. Dang, look at that. Came pre-opened. I didn't even do anything. Yeah. Somebody, I guess, at the factory had to reopen it. Show all the parts.
Hey, at least they're checking, but they should have retaped it.
Yeah, no. So we'll jump into that there.
Hardware.
Yeah. And we'll kind of show it to you guys after here on the desk. Boom. Alright, so as you can see on the table here, it is actually very heavy duty. This thing isn't flexing. You do have a couple positions to kind of move it up or down. Right now it's coming factory on the bottom position, so if you have a really thick table, this will definitely be able to open. I'm not going to go through that whole process of me trying to open, but yes, it'll be able to do that. Now for the mount to actually screw onto this, you should have a spot there with 3 holes, and you'll screw it together. So we'll get that screwed together here right now.
What you guys doing? Another live pro here with the GoPro?
Yeah, we're
Wisconsin, all the way to LA.
Just so you guys know, we just got a call. Happy New Year's. If you guys haven't seen our video where he goes mountain biking with us, go check it out. It's on the upper right hand corner, so super awesome. Alright, so as you can kind of see here, I did put a little bolt through here. It's pretty tight right now.
Hey, I'll go in here.
Oh, that's right. I know what I did because I went this way. Boom. But you can kind of see the bolt that is right there. And so it's this 1/4 inch bolt. We used a couple washers, so it actually keeps it standing off of the frame here, was the idea. I'll kind of go back straight here. And the idea for me is if it was a little warm in my room, the camera wasn't overheating. But overall, this is gonna be dope. I mean, when I say this is gonna be dope, this is gonna be dope. I am excited. And you can just move it down, boom. Now obviously this is super close, so this isn't gonna work for me here, but I might move the whole of the camera so it's a little higher, but I was just testing it out to kind of show you guys what I was doing. But again, this isn't gonna be strictly unboxing. It's gonna be, again, for streaming at the desk. So this is where you'll be able to be like, oh snaps, this guy is on a really cool camera. You guys will be able to see me in full HD, hopefully. So yeah, anyway, that looks dope. Hero's excited, he's over there smiling. He's like, I didn't know this was a thing. He's gonna go buy one of these guys.
Yeah, because I already have this camera, so I just need this and that continuous
adapter,
power adapter.
Yep, and he's like, I didn't want to buy a what's it called anyway?
A cheap webcam.
A webcam anyway.
Yeah, because if you guys watch our streams, I'm not in any of the footages because
he refuses
don't have
to buy a webcam.
Yeah, I'm cheap. But this I have, so this I need.
Yeah, so with the arm, with the cable, and the camera, you can be a streamer too. But like I said, it does take a little bit of time, patience, and figuring out everything. That is the biggest thing, guys. So anyway, we guys will catch you on the flip side. As always, everything is in the description below. Boop. So if you guys want to get this full setup, it'll be down below. If you have your own camera and you just want the arm, fine, whatever. Guys, go choose whatever you want. They even make taller arms than these, so you can definitely go higher, but I didn't need to go that high because obviously I'm sitting at a desk, so I was like, I don't need that. But anyway,
all right. Peace. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit that like.
Smash that like.
Peace.
Smash.